This guide will introduce how to make SSD data unrecoverable in 3 effective ways. Part 1. How to make SSD data unrecoverable via manufacturer's utility. Most SSD manufacturers provide dedicated SSD management tools, which typically include secure erase or sanitize functions that can safely erase SSD data, making it unrecoverable. These tools leverage the characteristics of SSDs to completely wipe data using built-in commands, without affecting the lifespan of the SSD. Here are some software options from manufacturers that you can try. Samsung Magician, Kingston SSD Manager, Western Digital, WD Dashboard, Intel SSD Toolbox. Part 2. How to make SSD not recoverable using Coolmuster Data Erasure. If your SSD brand does not provide a secure erase tool, or if you need a more efficient and simpler method to completely erase data, you can use Coolmuster Data Erasure. Step 1. Download and open Coolmuster Data Erasure on your PC. From the main interface, select the Drive Wiper mode. Step 2. Choose the desired erasing level, either Quick Erase or Deep Erase. Step 3. Then, select the SSD you want to wipe and click the Erase Now button to begin the wiping process. Part 3. How to make SSD data unrecoverable by physically destroy. If the SSD is already damaged or no longer in use, physical destruction can be used to ensure the data is completely unrecoverable. This method is suitable for situations where the SSD is no longer needed. Drill to destroy. Use an electric drill to create multiple holes in the flash memory chips, causing physical damage. Hammer to shatter. Repeatedly strike the chips with a hammer to ensure they are shattered. High temperature incineration. Burn the SSD at high temperatures, but be mindful of environmental and safety concerns. Shredding with professional equipment. If possible, use an industrial shredder to completely shred the SSD.